Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to manage elements on your Weebly site, including adding, modifying, and removing them. This simple procedure takes just a few moments. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you master your site's layout. Begin by visiting the official Weebly website builder. Launch your browser and navigate to Weebly's homepage. Locate the Login button in the upper right corner. Click it, then provide your email and password to access your account. This brings you to the main dashboard where you can begin customizing your site. Once logged in, you will see your account overview. Find and click the Edit Site button to enter the editor interface. This workspace is your primary control center for all modifications and updates as you develop your online presence. Inside the editor, look at the sidebar on the left and select the Build tab. This area contains the tools needed to design your pages. To see every available component, click Show All Elements to expand your toolkit. With the full menu visible, you can select any tool and drag it directly onto your page. Simply drop it where you want it to appear, allowing for complete layout flexibility. To modify an existing item, just click on it. A context menu will pop up, letting you adjust settings and make quick updates with ease. If you need to remove something, the process is equally simple. Hover over the top right corner of the element until an X icon appears. Click this icon to start the removal. When the confirmation prompt appears, select Delete to finalize the action. You now know how to add, edit, and delete elements on Weebly. Use these techniques to customize your site exactly as you imagined. Thanks for watching and happy building.